Hi guys, welcome to another video of Shut and Voyages. Today we have the very awaited OnePlus 9 Pro. Remind you, this is the Pro variant. OnePlus actually launched a couple of products on their launch event in March. So there were, I think, four main products launched. One was the OnePlus 9 Pro, which we will be doing an unboxing and first impressions today. The second device was the OnePlus 9, which is a little cheaper variant of this, which we will be doing an unboxing and first impressions and review very soon as it's available. And the third was the cheapest among the lot, which was the OnePlus 9R. So 9R, OnePlus cut some corners on the device, and 9R is something around 40,000 rupees. So we'll be doing a review of that too. And OnePlus also started into the new wearable segment. So OnePlus starts making OnePlus smart watches. So the smartwatch will be, as soon as it will be available, we'll be doing an unboxing of that too. Mind you, we'll be doing a giveaway of OnePlus 9R, which will be announced as soon as the device is live, and we will be doing the unboxing as soon as its giveaway will be announced. So after this, now let's talk about the device that we have today. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus made a lot of announcement about its partnership with Hasselblad. One thing which I don't like about OnePlus specifically is, they give away everything on their Twitter. Like, they show everything about their product on Twitter, which takes away the curiosity from the main launch event. That is something that I don't like. It's like, I want to be curious about the launch event. I want to be curious, and I want to see the launch event, and I want to see what products you are going to launch on the launch event itself, not on Twitter. So that is something that I really dislike about OnePlus. Till now, they have been teasing and announcing lots of product on Twitter, and then they have their own online event, which is, for me, just kind of a formality. I didn't even properly watch that event because I already knew everything. So we will be discussing a lot about the OnePlus 9 Pro in the later part of the video. First, let's check out the unboxing and see what OnePlus has provided in the box, and let's see our first impressions afterwards. So here is the box. Actually, I ordered, as I said, this time online because of the delivery time was way less for online. Like, I got this device a day earlier. So we have a special delivery for you, the new OnePlus, and a whole lot of speed too. So OnePlus is still sticking with their speed branding. I mean, I think it's among the fastest Android phones we have in the market. Okay, so a nice pull tab to take the main box out. Here might be the invoice, and here is our device in the big, oh, this is heavy. Okay, so in 2020, when charger is actually a feature, like companies have made charger as a feature, I'm glad that OnePlus is still providing all of the accessories in the box. So here is our device. You can see the Hasselblad branding, co-developed with Hasselblad. Here's the branding, the OnePlus 9 Pro. It's a 5G device. Pretty simple OnePlus box, nothing new. This is actually, this costs, the price marked is 69,999 rupees. This is actually the higher variant, the 12GB and 256GB variant. So it has Qualcomm 888 processor. It is assembled in India, designed by OnePlus, and this is the Morning Mist, the new OnePlus color. I am kind of fan of trying new colors that these companies like to experiment with. Okay, let us quickly open this. Here goes the top plastic, and I'm really glad that OnePlus is still providing everything in the box, because most people don't have everything with them. So I'm glad that OnePlus is still doing that. Okay, phone on top. Here is the device first look. Okay, it feels a lot smaller in the hand. Like, I'm coming from S21 Ultra, so it does feel a lot smaller in our hand. Okay, now let's see what else we get in the box. Here is the Never Settle branding. Oh, big box. This is the 65 watt warp charge 65T adapter, huge adapter. Let me put that aside. Here is the cable, the red cable that is a signatory of OnePlus. Let me keep that aside too, and let's see what we have here. Here we have the cover. Okay, I like this color. It's a silicon based, I don't know which color this is, looks like morning mist only. Nice cover, nice thing that OnePlus is still giving everything in the box. I'm really glad with OnePlus. Okay, this was just the box, like the top part, and this is welcome Hasselblad, and this letter from the CEO, and this is a SIM ejector tool, safety information and other paperwork, and OnePlus sticker. They should have actually given some Hasselblad stickers, but they have not. Well, no worries. Let me keep all of this aside. So here is our device. This does look a lot nicer in hand. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. The in-hand feel of the device is great. I mean, come on. This is smaller, I think 6.7 inches. It's not a very thick device. Here's the Hasselblad branding. USB Type-C charger. It's a pretty thin device. Overall, okay, let me quickly show you this in next to my S21 Ultra. So here is my S21 Ultra, and here is the OnePlus device. You can see the size difference easily visible. Okay, so as you saw, the unboxing experience is not a lot changed, which is surprising. It still has the charger in the box, which I was really happy about. Plus, it also has the back cover, which is something like, you know, finding a unicorn in 2021. So thank you, kudos to OnePlus for doing that. Now coming to the device itself, one thing I really liked about the device is the ergonomics. I mean, holding this device in hand, I'm actually coming from 12 Pro Max and S21 Ultra. S21 Ultra is huge. So comparing it with that, this is a pretty handy device. Like, I am holding this in hand and I'm really enjoying it. It feels lighter in hand, slimmer in hand. So overall, OnePlus got the ergonomics right this time. This is, I think, the best OnePlus device that I have ever liked. This is ergonomics wise, like the design wise, I really like this one. They have also improved on the curved sides. The sides are not that curved this time. It's a little less. It's almost a flat design. So that is something also which is great, because, you know, curves create lots of mistouches while you are using the phone. So that is something that is improved. Now talking about the second thing, the second best thing about the device is the screen. I mean, OnePlus always had some issues with their screen. Like, you know, sometimes there were some tint issues, sometimes refresh issues, a lot of issues. This time I have been using this device for a day now, and the display seems perfectly fine to me. No issues till now, no color shift. So I think OnePlus also nailed the display part. I would still choose the I would still choose the iPhone 12 Pro Max over this display because of the little more saturated and little better image production on that device, and their algorithms for a true tone display is perfect. Little less training on the eyes. OnePlus or any other Android manufacturer has not even come close to that. Now moving on to the third part, that is the camera. I have not done an extensive review of the camera yet. I have not got time enough to review the camera, but it's a decent camera. Like, I can say that it's in the same ball game as the flagships. This is big thing for OnePlus, because OnePlus has never been able to, you know, compete with them. Like, even if OnePlus comes third and clicks decent pictures with the participation they have with Hasselblad, it's going to be huge for them. Like, they're entering into the market, and they're going to tap into the market which Samsung, Apple, these companies have dominated for so long. So that is something also that is that we have to look for in a camera review. Comment down below if you want a full camera review of the device. We might be doing a comparison with the iPhone 12 Pro Max also about the camera. Now, you know, OnePlus made a lot of shout about the partnership with Hasselblad. So something that I think it's still a marketing gimmick. It's like 60% marketing gimmick, 40% truth. So yeah, the Hasselblad partnership does show in their device, in the camera system, but it's still not something that OnePlus should have made that much noise about. But they are investing $150 million, so obviously they are going to make noise about it. Now coming to the other important thing about the OnePlus devices is the software. You know, it's just fluid. It's 120 hertz refresh rate, so it's just fluid. OnePlus, the Oxygen OS has always been perfect. There has been no issues with that whatsoever. I think OnePlus gets Android better than Google, so this is definitely a very great device that sense. Now, one thing that is a weird one for me, you see the fingerprint scanner on this device is on the bottom right, like bottom corner of the device. I have no idea why. Usually companies go with the center part little, bottom center, but this is at the end of the bottom of the device. Something that I noticed that is weird. Other than that, this has Snapdragon 888 processor. This is going to be fast, and you know, one point where Samsung screws up every time Indian market is by not announcing a Snapdragon variant. Like, I am desperately waiting for the Fold 3. Major reason is the Snapdragon 888 processor, because let's accept it, Exynos sucks. They are not a good processor. So in that ways, anyway, if you're in the market looking for a good performance device, this is going to be better than Samsung devices hands down because of the Snapdragon processor. Also, this is the 12GB to 256GB variant, so I don't think you need this device. You need the 8GB variant, but 12GB just future proofing if you want to use your device for like 4-5 years down the line. Mind you, this is also a 5G device, so you won't have that issue in future. Overall, if you are in the market, plus the price range of 70,000 rupees is also very decent for a device like this. This is a device that is packed with all flagship like features. So this is a great device in that sense. So if you are in the market looking for a device that can do almost everything with near perfection, this is the device for look for. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro, and you know, you should definitely get your hands on one. You should first try the design, because you might not like the screen. It's a little bit on the smaller side if you are comparing it with S21 Ultra, but someone who wants small screen and perfect performance, this is a decent perfect device in that sense. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and if you want to see the camera comparison with the OnePlus 9 Pro of any other device, let us know. We'll be doing an extensive camera review of the device. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Hope you guys are safe at home. Thank you.